I wonder why many people are still sleeping on this. You can make money just by answering questions, and in this video I want to show you how to do it. Even if you go to X, which is Twitter before, and you search survey, you will see people who are making a lot of money. You can even see $1,000 and above. Myself and my student have generated a lot of money online just by answering questions. And in this video I'm going to tell you the legit sites that will help you to answer questions and get paid. The lowest that you can make is just €5. Yes, you can make money in dollar and also make money in euro. So calm down and benefit from this. My name is Louis Chico and I share possible ways to make money online, the ways that have worked for me. I will create video so that you will also benefit from it as well. Some of these sites is called survey sites, and you only need to answer questions, simple questions, and get paid. So before we proceed, what is survey all about? Survey is just a research method used to collect data, options, and feedback from group of people, and you get paid just by answering these simple questions. And why do they answer this question? Does it really matter? Yes. The aim is to gather information and understand attitudes, or to identify trends and patterns, just that. But there is so many types of survey. You are the one to choose anyone you want to proceed with and make your money. We have customer satisfaction survey, we also have academic research survey, we also have demographic survey, we also have feedback survey, and so many others. All you need to do is just choose your niche. If you want to proceed with academic research survey, or you want to proceed with the customer satisfaction survey, or you want to proceed with demographic survey, anyone you love at all, you proceed and make your money. So here are the sites that will help you to start answering questions in online space, that's doing survey, and you earn huge money for yourself. And like I said earlier, the least you can earn is €5. Convert €5 to the local currency right now, and this works worldwide. Whether you are a Kenya, you are a Cameroon, you are a Nigeria, you are a Ghanaian, any place at all, it works worldwide. So all you need to do right now, don't just watch the video, but implement or practice everything, and you will make huge money for yourself. But if you want to guide, or you don't want to make mistake at all, maybe you have not tried survey in your life before, or this is your first time to hear survey that they can even make money just by answering questions online, just join our Telegram community. The link is in video description, where you will get all these things for free. Okay, so here are the sites that will help you, the legit site that will help you to answer questions and get paid. So the most popular survey site that everybody know that they can answer question and make huge money for themselves is called Swagboss. It's popular, but I'm going to also mention extra 19 survey sites that will help you to answer question and you make your money. Okay, so in case you don't like Swagboss, or maybe there's a lot of traffic, you can divert to other ones and make huge money for yourself. They all work the same, just by answering questions, and you get paid either in dollar or in euro. Number one is called Sense. So the second is Prime Opinion Surveys. Yes. So the third is YouGov Survey. Then the fourth is Hey Piggy Survey. I'll leave the link of all these things that I mentioned in video description, so make sure you check the video description to get all these things. Okay, so the fifth one is IPSOS Survey. Yes, so the sixth one as well, where you can answer question and get paid, is called Five Surveys. Yes, then the seventh one is Freecash Surveys. Yes, so the eighth one as well is Paid Viewpoint Surveys. They all work the same. You get paid whenever you answer questions. Okay, the only difference is that some pays in dollar while some pays in euro. Okay, they all work the same. So the ninth one is called Zap Survey. Then the 10th one is called Opinion Outpost Surveys. Yes. The 11th one is called Survey Spin. Then the 12th one is called Grab Points Survey. Grab Points Survey. Then the 13th one is called Zoombox Survey. Then the 14th one is called GC Loot Survey. GC Loot Survey. Then the 15th one is called surveoo. That's surveoo. Okay, I'll also leave the link in video description as well. Then the 16th one is called Super Pay Survey. Then the 17th one is called Mugbrog Survey. Mugbrog Survey. Then the 18th one is called Eruka Survey. Eruka Survey. So in case you don't like Swag Boss, which is the most popular, or the White Sense, which is the second most popular, you can proceed with any of these ones and make money for yourself. But if you want guide, or you need directions to all these things on how to answer the question, on how to succeed or grow so fast, use the link in video description and join our Telegram community, where we share free videos on how to do all these things and make huge money for yourself. Don't just watch the video, but implement, put it to practice, and make huge money just by answering questions. If you want to learn how to make money or the new WhatsApp feature that will help you to earn money, check this video. So see you in that particular video. Learn how to start making money online today, legitimately.